Imagine landing your dream job, not by scrolling for hours, but with the help of artificial intelligence. Sounds futuristic? Today, we'll explore how AI is transforming the job search, from matching your skills with the perfect role to writing your CV in seconds. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or looking to switch careers, this is the future you need to know about. Let's dive in. Key steps to finding a job with AI One Choose Your AI career path. AI offers various job roles, including data scientist, machine learning engineer, AI researcher, and AI product manager. Choose one that aligns with your interests and background, whether you prefer coding, research, design, or strategy. Knowing your direction will help you focus your learning and job search more effectively. 2. Learn core AI skills. Start with Python programming. Then move on to math basics like statistics, linear algebra, and probability. Study machine learning algorithms and tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or scikit-learn. Many free and paid courses are available on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and edX to guide you. 3. Build real projects. Hands-on projects show employers that you can apply your skills. Create projects like chatbots, image classifiers, or predictive models, and upload them to GitHub. Writing about your work on LinkedIn or a blog helps build your professional reputation. Create an impressive resume and LinkedIn profile. Highlight your AI skills, certifications, and completed projects in a clear, concise format. Use job-specific keywords to increase your chances of passing applicant tracking systems. Keep your LinkedIn active by sharing insights or commenting on AI topics. 5. Search for jobs strategically. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, and AIjobs.net to find AI-related roles. Follow companies you're interested in and set job alerts to stay updated. Don't forget to apply directly through the company career pages as well. 6. Join AI communities and network engage with AI professionals in online forums like Reddit, Discord, or LinkedIn groups. Attend webinars, tech meetups, or AI conferences, many of which are free or virtual. Building relationships can often lead to job referrals and insider opportunities. 7. Practice for interviews. AI job interviews often include technical questions, coding tasks, and problem-solving scenarios. Practice with platforms like LeetCode or HackerRank, and review common AI interview questions. Be ready to explain your projects clearly and discuss your problem-solving approach. 8. Consider internships or freelancing. If you're new, internships provide valuable experience and connections in the field. Freelance. AI projects on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr can help you earn and learn at the same time. Both paths build your resume and improve your confidence. How to copy and paste a LinkedIn job offer and your CV into ChatGPT and ask for help matching the job. If you find a job on LinkedIn that you like, the first thing to do is copy the full job description. This includes the list of responsibilities, qualifications, and anything else the company is asking for. You can find this by scrolling down the job post and selecting the text. Just highlight everything and press Ctrl+C or Command+C on Mac to copy it. Next, open your resume or CV on your computer. This might be a Word document, a PDF, or a Google Doc. Copy all the text from your CV just like you did with the job description. You want to give ChatGPT your current information so it can suggest how to improve it. Now, open ChatGPT. In the chat box, you'll paste both the job description and your CV. Before you paste, you should write a short message asking ChatGPT to help you. For example, you can say, "Can you help match my CV with this job? Here's the job description and my current resume." Then paste both sections below your message. Once you send your message, ChatGPT will look at the job offer and your CV, then suggest changes. It might rewrite parts of your resume to fit the job better, highlight your most relevant experience, or give tips to make it stronger. You can even ask ChatGPT to rewrite it in a different style or tone. How to prepare for an interview using Google Interview Warmup and ChatGPT. Google Interview Warmup is a free tool designed to help you practice answering common interview questions. It offers interactive exercises and real-time feedback, so you can improve your responses and build confidence before the actual interview. The tool covers general behavioral and technical questions tailored to your role and experience level. Alternatively, you can use ChatGPT to generate customized interview questions based on your job field and experience. Just ask ChatGPT to create questions for your specific role, whether it's software engineering, marketing, sales, or customer service, and practice answering them out loud or in writing. You can even simulate a mock interview by having ChatGPT pose questions and provide feedback. Using both tools together can give you a well-rounded preparation, Google's structured practice, plus ChatGPT's flexibility and personalized prompts. How to ask ChatGPT to suggest companies that match your skills or CV. If you're not sure where to apply for a job, you can ask ChatGPT to help you find companies that fit your background. First, you need to copy your CV or list out your main skills and experience. For example, you can write about your job titles, the industries you've worked in, your education, and any special tools or languages you know, like Adobe Photoshop, Python, sales, or healthcare experience. Once you have that ready, open ChatGPT and start a message like this. Here are my skills and experience. Can you suggest 10 companies that match my profile and where I might be a good fit? Then paste your CV or write your list of skills and experience below it. ChatGPT will read your information and give you a list of companies that are known to hire people with your background. You can also ask for specific things, like remote jobs, international companies, or companies in a certain field, for example, tech, healthcare, finance, or design. List of 10 companies that often hire graphic designers. Canva, a global design platform known for hiring remote designers, UI UX experts, and branding creatives. Fiverr/Upwork. Not a company, but freelance platforms where thousands of businesses post graphic design jobs every day. 99 Designs, a platform that connects freelance designers with clients for contests or one-on-one projects. Adobe, the company behind Photoshop and Illustrator, often hires designers for both internal teams and product marketing. Pentagram, a world-famous design agency that hires top-level branding and visual identity designers. Wix, a website builder company that hires graphic designers to create templates, icons, and marketing visuals. Shopify, known for hiring web and brand designers to work on both their platform and internal campaigns. Dribbble, hiring board. Like Fiverr, it's also a community for designers with a job board for full-time and freelance roles. Squarespace, a creative website platform with a strong in-house design team. Ideo, a design and innovation consultancy known for design thinking and hiring creatives for branding, product, and visual storytelling. AI is changing how people search, apply, and get matched with jobs. In the future, instead of spending hours scrolling through job boards, you'll be able to use AI to analyze your resume and instantly suggest jobs that match your skills and experience. Get personalized job recommendations based on your work history, interests, and even soft skills. Chat with AI recruiters that can schedule interviews, test your skills, or answer your questions 24/7. Automatically tailor your CV or cover letter to fit each job posting. Predict your success in a role based on your profile and company culture fit. Companies are already using AI to scan thousands of resumes in seconds, so it makes sense that job seekers will also use AI to stay ahead. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's job hunting right now.